Good afternoon. Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. So like, fuck it. Here we are with the second sun effect. As you can see, it's very easy to reproduce if you have the right settings. As you can see, I'm not even going to mention that this one. Well, today I just gonna record it with my camera. I just hope the battery is all the way until the end. Already have another one here ready to put. Well, thank you so much once again for being here. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and do the thing. Meanwhile, if you wish to support with your kindness, I really appreciate it. Donations in the description below. PayPal, buy me a coffee, GoFundMe. Esta para estar meio desfocado. Não, não vou. Okay, guys, this is it. Another day full with that thing in the sky. The rest of the sky. Well, above me I don't have anything, but always on the horizon. Okay guys, once again, thank you so much for being here. See you next time. Love you all. Be safe. Happy holiday.